Good morning, students. I hope you all are keeping well and writing down the notes that the teachers are giving you. In our last class, we have studied till your page number 42. So today we will start from page number 43. You can open up your textbook and you can refer your textbook. For me, I have written down on this book so that I can solve and show you how to solve it, okay? Okay, what you have to do in this question is you have to solve this 59 in various ways. Okay, first you have to see this number, the first number. For all the other questions also, the first box, the number which is in the first box, you have to see the number and then solve it this way. And then when you solve it, all these answers, all these sum should be 59. Okay, see, one have been solved in your textbook. The first one is 50 plus 9 means 59. 30 plus 29 is 59. 19 plus 40 is 59, and 59 plus 0 is 59. So you have to solve in 4 different ways, and then all the answers should be 59, which is in the first box. Okay, so let's try to solve the other question. So what is it given? The question, the first number is 78. So when you solve this 4 box, all the answers should be 78. So how can you solve? There are different ways. So let's start with the first one. You can solve it this way. 70 plus 8 is 78. Okay, when you solve, you'll get 78. And then 40 plus 38 is 78. Okay, when you solve, when you add them, you'll get 78. And then 30, they already given 30, so you have to add something with this 30 to make 78. So what should you add? 70 plus 48 will give you 78. You can try to solve them if you don't believe how it's coming, or if you're confused how it's coming. Okay, and then here 78 plus 0 will also give you 78. See, I'll show you how. 70 plus 8, 70 plus 8, how much? 78, right? Then 40 plus 38, try to solve them. 8 and 7, 78. See here again, 30 plus 48, 8, 7, answer is 78. 78 plus 0 will give 78 because 0 is nothing. So when you solve in these 4 different ways, the answer gives 78, and then you have to solve in such a way that all of them should give 78. Okay, let's try to solve one more. The number is 83. Okay, the first one you can do is 80 plus 3 will give 83. Then they have already given the number 43. So what should be added to this 43 to give 83? We can add again 40 to get 83. Okay. Okay, next, how can you do? 50 plus 33. It will also give 83. You can add any numbers, okay? You don't have to go exactly like me, but however you solve, the answer should be 83. Okay, and then last one, you can do 83 plus 0. It will also give 83. Shall we prove? Okay, see, I'll show you again. 80 plus 3, how much? 83. This is proof. 40 plus 43, 40 plus 43, check. 3, 8. It's giving 83, right? So now 50 plus 33. Let's see whether it's 83 or no. 3, 8, 83. So 83 plus 0 is 83. See, we have solved 4 different ways, and then all the answers are 83. And then you have to get anyhow 83, whatever number you add. Okay, this is the idea. This is how you have to solve this question. So there are another 3 more table like this. If you see in your textbook, please solve it as your homework. Okay, I hope it's clear. No, I've explained it to you. So try to solve these 3 questions again as your homework. Okay, it will be your homework. Okay, this one. Okay, these 3 questions will be homework. Okay, moving down to your next question. See, can you solve this puzzle? Write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the circles, in these circles. Okay, these circles, and then so that the sum of the numbers on each side of the figure is 12. What is the meaning of this question? You have to write number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in this box. Okay, this not box, circle. This, there are 6 circles here, and then you have to write these numbers here in these circles, and then when you add the numbers on each side should give 12 as the answer. Okay, and you can use these numbers only once. So let's try to do. See, I'll show you an example. Suppose we put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Suppose you write it this way. Now you add them. 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much? 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much is it? It will give you answer 6, but we have to get 12, so this cannot be the numbers in this line. Okay, so see here, 1 plus 6 plus 5, 1 plus 6 plus 5 means it will give 12. We are getting 12 here, but this one is not correct because we are not getting 12 this side. Let's check here. 3 plus 4 plus 5, 3 plus 4 plus 5, 7 plus 12, 7 plus 5 is 7 plus 12. Okay, this one is also 12, but these two are giving 12, 12, but this side is not giving 12. That means these numbers are not in the correct position. We have to rearrange them such that all these 3 sides should give 12 each. So this is not the right one. We have to rub this and then try with another format. Okay, now let's try with another number. Suppose say we put here 1 here, then 2 here, 3. Okay, I've tried to solve first so that I can explain it to you. The number, how the number should be placed is that we can put number 1 here, start with here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we can use the numbers only once. Okay, you cannot repeat the numbers, so you start with here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the numbers are there in the circle. So let's try to let's solve and see whether all the sides are giving 12 or no. Okay, so let's try here first. 6 plus 2 plus 4, how much? 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay, this side we get 12. This is correct. Let's try here. 6 plus 1 plus 5. 6 plus 1 plus 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. You solve. Okay, see, we get 12 here. This is also correct. Now here, 5 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3 plus 4. How much? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we get all the 3 sides as 12 when we put the numbers in this way. Okay, if you can see using the numbers in different circle, putting the numbers in different circles and check whether all the sides are giving 12. So when I tried all the style, only this style give me 12 in all the 3 sides. You can try and see. If I'm wrong, then you can tell me, you can correct me. If there is another way to solve it again to get all the 3 sides as 12, that is good for you. You will understand better. Okay, you try to solve. Just don't copy down what I'm showing you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I put this number, I'm getting all the sides, all the three sides as 12, and that's what the question has asked us to do. Okay. Okay, now in your next page, you see, find Mitu's bag. We have to find Mitu's bag. You can see Mitu's bag in number 86. Can you see it? It's in number 86. So you can see the diagram here. It starts from number 95 and right now it's in 150, and then you have to reach 86 to get Mitu's bag. How will you reach? By solving all these questions, that is question number A to question number L. Then only you can reach. How? When you solve these questions, you will get the number, and then that is how you will find a way to reach Mitu's bag. The first two questions are solved. Here, question number A, 75 plus 20 is 95, and that's how they started from here, 95. And then second, 90 plus 60 gives 150. So that is how the way have come from 95 to 150. And then by solving the rest of the question, you will get the way how you have to go from this box, one box to another in this diagram, and then reach Mitu's bag and then get Mitu's bag. Okay, this will be very interesting. So question number C, 25 plus 30 plus 3, how much will it give? It will give how much? 58. Okay, so it will go from here 150 to 58. You found another way. Okay, next, number D, 9 plus 40 plus 31. How much it will give when you solve? It will give 80. Okay, you try to solve and find the answer. It will give 80. So from 58, it will go to 80 again. You found the fourth way. Next, number E, 500 plus 200. It gives 700. So from 80, now you can go to 700. This is how you will get the way, you'll find out the way to reach Mitu's bag. Okay, next question, question number F, 400 plus 350. It will give 750. So from 700, now it will go to 750. And that's how you will solve, and then with the answer that you get, you will make a way in this diagram, in this box, and that's how you will reach Mitu's bag. Okay, so please try to solve the other remaining questions, that is G, H, I, J, K and L, and then when you get the answers, make the way with the numbers, with the answers that you get, and then that's how you will reach Mitu's bag. Okay, please try to solve it as your homework and then try to complete this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, now coming to your page number 45. What's the question? One day Bubbly and Gobu were playing. Bubbly gave 3 number cards to Gobu. He arranged the card in 2 ways, and then this is how he arranged the number. Okay, and then what were the numbers? The numbers were these 3: 150, 30 and 120. And you can use only these 3 cards because only these 3 cards were given to Gobu, and then they arrange in this way. And see, in 3 ways they have arranged, 2 ways they have arranged, and then only using these 3 number cards they have solved in 2 different ways. 120 plus 30 gives 150. 130 plus 120 gives 150. So using only these 3 cards, they have solved in 2 different ways, and that's exactly what we have to do here. Okay, here you can use only these 3 numbers to solve in 2 different ways. How? Let's see. Suppose we use 50 here first. 50, then 50 plus 20, it will give 70. Okay, so we are using 50 is here, 70 is here, 20 is here. We are using only these 3 numbers, and then we solve it. 50 plus 20 is 70. So again we can solve here. 20 plus 50, it will give 70 again. See, we are using only these three numbers and then we are solving in two different ways. But the answers are same. There's no difference, right? 50 is here, 70 is here, 20 is here. We are not using any different number. And that's exactly what you have to do here also. But the signs are different. Here they have added. Here you have to subtract, minus. So how can you do that? See, suppose 70. You write 70 minus 20. It will give 50. You can solve and see. Okay? 70 is here, 20 is here, 50 is here. We didn't use any different number. We use only these three numbers. But we are getting exactly right. 70 minus 20 is 50. So here also we can do that. 50 minus 20 will give 30. But this is wrong. How? Because 30 is not here in the box. We have to use only these three numbers, like here 70, 20 and 50. They are here, right? So this is correct. But even if this solution is correct, we cannot use this because this 30 is not here in the box. So this will be wrong. So what can you do? We can do here 70 minus 50. It will give 20. 70 is here, 50 is here, 20 is here. So this one cannot be there. This is the way you have to solve. Okay, see, you could have solved this way also, but this 30 is not here, like I said, and then we can use only these three numbers to solve. So 70 minus 20 we get 50, 70 minus 50 we get 20. Okay, in these two ways you can solve these three numbers. I hope you got it. There is another question here, question number B, and then I want you to solve these two questions as your homework again, so that you will also understand, and then I will also know whether you are understanding what I'm explaining to you, what I'm teaching you. Okay, and then please try to solve it and show it to me so that I will know how far you have understood. Okay, thank you.